So the risk to a building structure aging and generating leak sites is recognised. For engineered systems, the end user shall be provided with the manufacturer's system design and maintenance information. Details of the system shall include the following: the information and calculations on the amount of extinguishment, the container storage pressure and extinguishing quantity. But to know the contents, you need to monitor it, and checking it every 6 months is not monitoring it. So might we not just constantly monitor all of them and be in full compliance to them and the risks that are so clearly described in our own core standard? System performance verification. We know that metals corrode and pressure gauges stick. Of course they do, as will anything that's held under pressure risk doing. It's basic engineering. And ISO 14520 specifically guides our industry as to these risks. A suitable procedure for verification of the system includes every 3 months test and service all electrical detection and alarm systems. Every 6 months perform the following checks and inspections. Externally examine pipework to determine its condition. Replace or pressure test and repair as necessary any pipework showing corrosion or mechanical damage. Check all control valves for correct manual function and automatic valves additionally for correct automatic function. And externally examine containers for signs of damage or unauthorised modification and for damage to system hoses. Check the pressure gauges of extinguishing containers. Liquefied gases should be within 10% and non-liquefied gases within 5% of the correct charge pressure. You should replace or refill any showing a greater loss than that. For liquefied gases, check, weigh or use a liquid level indicator to verify correct contents of the containers. Replace or refill any showing a loss of more than 5%. Every 12 months carry out a check of enclosure integrity using the method in the standard. If the measured aggregate area of leakage has increased from that measured during installation, which would adversely affect the system performance, carry out work to reduce the leakage. As required by statutory regulations, but otherwise when convenient, remove the containers and pressure test when necessary. Why does the industry do it when it's convenient? Let us apply 21st century science to a 100-year-old issue and be done with it. A dynamic system needs monitoring.